How to use Google Drive offline mode. First, open Google Chrome and go to drive.google.com. Offline mode only works in Chrome, so make sure you're using that browser. Click the gear icon in the top right corner, then select Settings. Scroll down and check the box that says Offline. Create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files while offline. Next, install the Google Docs offline extension if prompted. This allows your drive to store recent files on your device for offline access. Once enabled, Google Drive will automatically sync your recent documents to your computer. You can now access them by visiting drive.google.com, even without internet. If you want to ensure a specific file is available offline, right-click it and toggle Available Offline. And that's it.